Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download Sonic at the Olympic Games. So this will work for your tablet, iPhone, Android, whatever mobile device you're using. It's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, click on your App Store, that's the Google Play Store or the App Store for your iPhone. Then you're going to want to go to the search bar, so click the bottom right on the iPhone there, and you can type in Sonic at the Olympic Games. It might autocomplete, and then you can just click on the autocomplete version right there, and then you'll see it should be the one at the top, unless there's an ad. There's Sonic at the Olympic Games. You can click get on that or whatever it says on your phone, and then it should come up with install. You want to click on that too, and then it's gonna that circle's gonna go around, and once it's eventually downloaded, once the circles went all the way around, you can click open on it on this page, or you can scroll along to the apps page right here. Click on that, and once you've clicked on that, you can log in and then play the game like that. And there is also a link in the description below to the Google Play Store link and the Apple App Store link. You can follow them if it makes it easy for you if you have any problems to download. But leave a like on the video if this did help you out and you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos on the Sonic app, and that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.